Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, don't kill me, it's been a while, but I'm back. So in this video, it's just a simple wash, blow dry, and curl, but you know, the Erica way. If you would like to get this essential, easy look, keep watching. Alright y'all, so we're just going to jump right into it. So I'm going to use the Tresemme Color Defense Shampoo. I colored my hair a while back in the color black. So I'm just finishing up this bottle just to keep using it just to protect my hair. And we're going to go for the full salon effect, meaning that I'm going to shampoo my hair twice just to make sure my hair is extra squeaky clean for when I blow dry and when I curl my hair. So now I'm using the Tresemme conditioner, but in their moisture rich formula. Honestly, y'all, I love the way my hair feels after I use this. It feels super soft, but I will be honest with you, typically when I do rinse this out, I bathe myself and then I'll rinse this out just so that conditioner can really get in my hair and really make my hair super soft. Alright y'all, so now we're out the shower and it's time to blow dry. So I take a wide tooth comb and I section my hair into 4 sections. Once I put them in the 4 sections, I comb them out individually, one by one, and then I apply some blowout cream. The blowout cream that I use that I did not show is by Big and Sexy Hair. It comes in a purple bottle. I've been using that since hair school, and I fell in love with it since then, and I use it to this day for my hair when I'm blow drying my hair. You really only need a tiny amount in each section, smaller than, let's say, a dime. Yeah, so then I comb out each individual section and then I apply the cream and then we're gonna blow dry the hair. And I start with my back sections first, so I do the back 2 sections and then I do the front 2 sections. So then right here, I'm taking off the comb attachment and I'm going to use my paddle brush to just get rid of those lines and the parting that I did from earlier. And then I'm going to go in with the cool setting to stop the hair from heat damage. And then after that, I'm going to apply some serum, my BioSilk. Girl, this is probably what the key is to my hair looking so shiny and smooth when I curl my hair at the end. And I just apply that throughout the hair and then we're going to start curling. Now this part, I was a little unprepared, but you definitely want to have more hair ties or clips. But anyway, we're going to section the hair into 3 sections, 2 up front and 1 big section in the back. The section in the back, since there's so much hair, we're going to probably put that into 5 sections, but you'll see in a second how I do that and I'll describe to you that. But I like a nice deep middle part, so I made sure when I sectioned the 2 front that it was behind my ear when I did that. So what I'm doing here is just the back of my neck, or aka the kitchen area. Just want to make sure this is all straight out here. This is technically not a section or one of those big sections I was talking about earlier. This is just to make sure the back of my neck is straight, or the hair on the back of my neck is straight and not all curly still from the blowout. So I straighten the hair first and then I start to curl, but then you'll see in a second me parting the first subsection of the hair. So right here, I pretty much start at the top of the ear and I just go straight across in the back. And that section there, I split in half, so that makes the first 2 sections. And then that top part that I'm holding with my other hand, I split that into 3 sections. So I don't show that top part. I just showed the first subsection that I just did. And I just show you how I curl it. And like I said, I was unprepared. I had to use another comb to kind of keep that section up. But here I'm parting my hair and I'm gonna start curling. I did the other side off camera because when I tried to record that side, my hand was in the way. So this is how I curl my hair. So typically I take the hair and I do my first, let's say, flip. So you can see I'm pressing in the inside and then I twirl and I let that hair just kind of come out on the other end, and then I pull it back toward my root, and then I just kind of open and close the flat iron and let the hair kind of fall out, and it gives that nice little spiral effect at the end. For all my professionals, we call this a off base curl because the curl is not all the way to the root, and it doesn't give that Shirley Temple look. It gives that nice, like a loose curl kind of look at the bottom. So that's the kind of effect that I'm going for. The end result just makes it look very flowy and just natural and beautiful, and that's why I like to curl my hair like this. Okay, y'all, so I finished the back. You'll see me shake it in a second. Yes, girl, shake it, okay? Nice and shiny. So now we're going to do the front two sections. Pay attention to how I part the hair. This is basically going to set up how the flip over method works and the way the hair falls. So just to pay attention to when I get closer to the top of my head, you'll see me part it in front of me and not how I'm parting it now. Alright, y'all, here it is. So see how I part it that way and not the other way that I was parting it. And I'm just still going to curl it towards my face and downward. And I'm just going to do that the whole way up. For this, you don't have to, after a while, you don't have to keep the straight line. You can just kind of part any way you want, but you want to make sure you're parting your hair that way and that you're bringing it downward towards your face. And you'll see what I mean once I get closer to the top, how I kind of do like a curved line, more like of a C line instead of a straight line. And it kind of just blends the hair in so you don't see those parts that you make. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I decided to do this off camera, or do the rest of it off camera. Of course I'm talking. I thought the audio was going to sound different because I had a microphone, but I got to figure out how to work it first before I even try to do that. But as you saw, I took a little more BioSilk, and I just like a tiny bit, and I'm just gonna run it through the curls just to keep that shine. And don't be afraid to scrunch up them curls. Ain't nothing gonna happen to them, okay? But it, you know, it just makes sure that hair stays the way, keeps the shine. So now this is me flipping it over. See, I like this side of my face because, you know, I just like this side of my face. Whoever, if you know me, you know I do this side. I don't know why. That's just what I do. So now I'm just playing with it. At this point, you can just play with it and flip it over how you want and comb it out, finger comb it out, do whatever you want with it. But I just wanted to show you guys that was how I curl my hair, and this is how I kind of style it when I do the flip over. So when it's time to put it up, this is how much hair I grab and I pin it up, and just the next day it comes out really nice and soft and like flowy, and I just like it like that. So now it's edge time. Y'all know the vibes, okay? I use Design Essentials Edge Control, their maximum hold. I know everybody has their favorite, but this is a professional product and I like using it. Then I use the Got To Be spray, and I also put that on my edges as well, but I put it on my brush first because I'm not spraying that on my edges and then I ruin my hair. So this just helps kind of the hair stay in place once I do my edges. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I got a lot of requests about doing it, so I was like, let me show these girls how to get it done, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and, you know, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.